Hey everyone, welcome back to the RA Solutions podcast. I'm your host, RA Solutions, and today we're jumping into the world of high performance teams. Trust me, if you've ever struggled with team dynamics or just want your crew to work smoother, this one's for you.
Glad to be here. Honestly, building a team that really clicks is like finding the secret sauce at work. With over 75% of organizations leaning on teamwork to hit their goals, I'd say it's about time we dig into what actually makes a team thrive.
Absolutely, and there's so much more to it than just hiring smart people. Today, we'll break down the strategies that move teams from average to unstoppable.
Let's get into it. I've got stories, stats, and maybe a few cautionary tales from my own time wrangling teams.
All right, first up, team dynamics. It's one of those phrases folks throw around, but what does it really mean?
Honestly, it's the vibes, the way people interact, communicate, and even disagree. Those little undercurrents can totally make or break team performance. I remember one project where a simple miscommunication ballooned into a week-long mess.
Oh, I've seen that too. It's wild how something as tiny as a misunderstood email can derail progress. Nailing down these dynamics is essential if you want everyone rowing in the same direction.
Exactly. And the research backs it up. Teams with open communication see productivity boosts over 25%. That's not just a small bump, it's a game changer.
Speaking of open communication, it's truly the bedrock. Without it, you're basically playing telephone with everyone's ideas.
Couldn't agree more. When people actually feel safe to share their thoughts or flag issues, trust grows. I once worked on a remote team that used Slack religiously actual conversations, not just status updates, and it kept everyone on the same page.
It's funny how those little check ins or quick chats can nip problems in the bud. Plus, tools like Microsoft Teams are lifesavers for distributed teams. I've seen task completion jump by 30% when everyone's plugged in.
For sure, it's like giving your team a running commentary instead of silent movies.
That actually reminds me, clear goals are another huge differentiator. Teams can't hit a target if they don't know where it is.
Exactly. When everyone knows what's expected, from the big picture vision down to their daily tasks, things just click. There was a study showing teams with smart goals hit 20% higher performance. Not bad for just getting specific.
And there's something motivating about seeing progress. Reviewing those goals together keeps everyone accountable, and honestly, it's a great excuse for celebrating wins along the way.
Totally, those little milestones keep the energy up. No more mystery missions or awkward check ins about who's doing what.
Pivoting a bit collaboration is where the magic happens. There's just something electric about a team bouncing ideas off each other.
Oh, 100%. Some of the best solutions I've seen came from cross functional teams. I'm talking designers, engineers, and marketers crammed into one meeting, hashing things out. It's chaotic, but that's where innovation brews.
You're speaking my language. And with project management tools like Trello or Asana, even remote teams can keep the creative juices flowing. It's not about competing, it's about lifting each other up.
Yeah, collaboration isn't just a buzzword, it's the secret ingredient for making something bigger than the sum of its parts.
Funny you say that another huge motivator is recognizing people's efforts. I mean, who doesn't love a little kudos now and then?
Totally. When someone shouts out your hard work, it's like rocket fuel for morale. I've seen teams with regular recognition programs actually lose fewer people turnover, dropped by 31%.
That's wild. Um, Even celebrating the small stuff like wrapping a tricky sprint or crushing a deadline builds momentum. It really sets a positive tone for the team.
And honestly, it doesn't have to be fancy. Sometimes a sincere thank you or a quick Slack emoji does wonders. Consistency is key.
After all those wins, though, you can't get too comfortable. Continuous learning is what keeps teams sharp.
Absolutely. Teams that treat learning like an ongoing process are always one step ahead. I worked at a company that offered monthly workshops, and you could actually see teams getting more innovative as their skills grew.
Not to mention, companies who invest in development see 24% higher profits on average. It's a win win, people get better, and so do the results.
Honestly, even a simple book club or online course can start a learning snowball. It's about making growth part of the culture.
Now, let's talk agility, because if 2020 taught us anything, it's that you've got to adapt or get left behind.
Totally. Teams that embrace change, experiment with agile methods like Scrum or Kanban, cut project delivery times in half. It's not about perfection, it's about learning and tweaking along the way.
I love that mindset. Sometimes the best ideas come from experiments gone wrong. Reviewing and refining isn't just smart, it's survival these days.
And the teams that are open to feedback and rapid shifts just outpace everyone else. No more getting stuck in old routines.
What surprised me most is how trust transforms a team. Psychological safety isn't just HR jargon, it's what lets people actually speak up.
Yeah, and when folks aren't worried about being judged, they're more likely to toss out wild ideas or flag problems early. I've seen quiet team members step up big time once they knew it was safe.
It is the difference between a team that just survives and one that crushes it. Trust IS, the secret sauce.
And building it takes time, tons of transparency, owning mistakes, and letting people be human.
Shifting gears a bit, diversity is another massive driver of team performance. Homogenous teams just don't get the same sparks flying as diverse ones.
Exactly. Diverse perspectives are like adding new flavors to a recipe. Teams with wide-ranging backgrounds and experiences outperform others by 35% in innovation. I've seen brainstorming sessions light up when someone brings an unexpected viewpoint.
Highlighting those voices, especially in meetings, leads to richer conversations and smarter decisions. Inclusion can't just be a checkbox.
Definitely not. It's about making sure everyone's heard, not just invited to the party.
Let's not forget the power of feedback. It's like steering a ship, you need constant course corrections to stay on target.
Could you imagine driving blindfolded? Regular feedback sessions, or even quick surveys, help spot issues early and keep the team moving forward. Leaders who ask for feedback on their own style, that sets the gold standard.
I agree. Modeling that vulnerability can flip the script for a whole team. Suddenly, feedback isn't scary, it's just how you get better.
And once it becomes routine, teams don't just improve, they become unstoppable.
Last but definitely not least, leadership. The culture starts at the top, and people watch what leaders do way more than what they say.
Couldn't have said it better. When leaders actually model collaboration and a learning mindset, it's contagious. The team follows suit, and suddenly, high performance just becomes how you operate.
Exactly. So, big thanks to everyone listening in today. Remember, building high performance teams isn't a one and done deal, it's a journey.
And we hope you picked up some practical strategies. If you enjoyed our deep dive, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share your own team stories in the comments. See you next time on RA Solutions.
Until next time, look after yourselves and each other. Remember to like, subscribe, and share and support us at RA Solutions.